Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the best high value CPA offers you can promote right now. I'm going to share with you a step by step. If you have been looking for a powerful CPA offer with strong results, this video is for you. I will also share with you free traffic method. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can visit on CPA platform. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your first name, last name, your address, your email address, password. You can confirm password. You can choose time zone. You can read and accept your terms of service. At last, you can click on register now button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can visit on my offers section. You can select your United States country. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. This campaign has a high payout rate of $51.34. When someone completes the required step, you can click here. Here you can see CPA link. Here you can see this offer is only allowed on Android in United States. Here is showing landing page. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Now in next step you will have to make landing page. I'm going to make simple landing page. You can visit on 𝒠𝒇𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform and then you can create account on this platform. You can click here. Now you can type your prompt. You can type here this kind of prompt. You can click here. Guys, it will take some time to make landing page. Here you can see 𝒠𝒇𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌 platform has made great landing page. You can click on deploy button. Click on this button. Here is showing URL of this landing page. Click here to copy this URL. Now in next step what you will have to do is you will have to promote this landing page to get visitors. You can visit on free classifieds USA.com platform. Guys, this is a best and most popular advertising platform. You can post free classified ads in USA. It's a 100% free advertising service provider. Here you can see there are a lot of categories to choose from. Here you can see latest ads. As you can see this advertisement, here is showing image, here is showing title, here is showing description, here is showing location, and here is showing date and time. You can see there are a lot of people advertising their product and services using this platform. You can also advertise your services on this platform. You can click on post an ad button. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. Click on register button, scroll down, type your name, email address, password, confirm password. You can click on register button. Now you can check your email address to activate your account. You can click on post an ad button. You can choose your category. You can choose your category according to your product and services. Guys, I'm going to promote my landing page. I'm going to choose your category according to my landing page. Select your subcategory. Type your title. You can type your long description. You can type for this kind of description. Now I'm going to insert my landing page URL in this description. Here is showing my landing page. Click on this button. Here is showing landing page URL. Click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on this website. You can select any of this text. Click on this link icon. You can paste your landing page URL. Click on OK button. You can select another text. Click on this link icon. Paste your landing page URL. Click on OK button. Now you can scroll down. You can set your price. If you want, you can type your price. Now you can upload your photos. You can scroll down. Here you can see location. You can choose your location. Guys, this offer is only allowed in United States. I'm going to choose your location, United States. You can choose your region. Choose your city. You can scroll down. Now you can paste here your website URL. You can paste here your landing page URL. Visit on your landing page. Click here to copy this URL. Now you can paste here. You can verify this captcha. Now at last you can click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, thank you. Your listing has been published successfully. Using this method, you can advertise your landing page. Guys, you can also share your landing page on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and all social media platforms to get more visitors. When people from USA click on this button, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will complete the required step, you will receive a reward of $51.34 for that action. So friends, try out this method. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.